Welcome back to our lesson kitchen. Today's recipe is healthy drink. Let us see how to make this healthy drink. These are the ingredients I've taken to make this healthy drink. Let us see. I've taken few neem leaf, half of lime, 1 piece of ginger and 3 tulsi leaves and 1 elaichi, 1 cinnamon and few peppercorns. Along with that I've taken 1 amla. Now let us proceed with the next step. Let us cut the amla into small pieces. Like this. Next, I have taken ginger. Let us cut the ginger into small pieces like this. And let's cut this lime into 4 pieces. Just slip them and add it to the water. And let us take the peppercorns and gently crush them like this. Next, I have taken the elaichi. Let us split open the elaichi and even crush this a little bit. Now let us add all these ingredients to the bowl. Let us add all these chopped ingredients along with the neem leaf, cinnamon and the tulsi leaf. I am going to add 2 glasses of water to this. Now let us boil this for about 15 minutes. Now you can see the neem water is boiled well. Let us allow it to cool for about 5 minutes and then strain it and serve it. Now I have filtered and I have taken it to the glass. It is ready to drink now. It is very effective when you drink early morning on an empty stomach. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked. Have a nice day.